Hey, y'all, ever thought a dish was simple, then, bam, flavor explosion? Today, we're making Dinengdeng with Bisugo. Wondering what gives it that bold taste? Stick around, this one's full of surprises. Alright, let's get to it. We've got our veggies, squash, string beans, Bisugo, and, of course, our star, bagung, that gives bold taste to Dinengdeng. Squash is not just for its sweetness, it's loaded with vitamin A, so your eyes can feast on this dish before your stomach does. String beans? They're packed with fiber, keeping your heart happy. And Bisugo? Full of omega-3s, so your heart's in good hands, or fins, I guess. Bagung is as bold as they say, but when you mix it with the sweet squash and those crunchy string beans, it's like a flavor explosion in the best way possible. And there you have it, folks, Dinengdeng with Bisugo, a dish that's as healthy as it is flavorful. And if things get a little chaotic in the kitchen, just remember, cooking is about having fun. Enjoy.